Hello students, welcome to Marine Engineering Tutorials. I am Atul Kumar Gupta and back with a new tutorial. We are presently studying marine boilers. Today we have 37th lecture and the topic is steam pipes. First of all, we will learn about the material of steam pipes, method of their attachment, and providing the necessary allowance to compensate against expansion and contraction in their length. We will also learn about the effects of water hammer in steam pipes and procedure to avoid it. Then we will learn about the purpose of drains in steam pipes and the procedure of warming up the steam pipes before they are used through the following slides. Steam pipe material and its attachment. What is the material of steam pipes? Steam pipes are made up of carbon steel conforming to Japanese Industrial Standard G3456 or equivalent standard. These are suitable for temperature up to 350 degrees Celsius. Copper tubes are used for trace heating purpose. How is the size of pipe specified? Steam pipe sizes are specified by their schedules which describe the outside diameter and wall thickness for a nominal size. Minimum schedule used for steam pipe is 40. For example, a schedule 40 100 millimeter nominal bore pipe will have its outside diameter of 114 mm with 6 mm wall thickness. For high pressure boilers, superheated steam pipes of schedule 160 are used, which are made up of heat resisting alloy steel containing chromium and molybdenum. These are suitable up to 550 degree Celsius. How are steam pipes connected? Steam pipes are joined together using the flanges and gaskets. Flange is welded at the end of the pipe. Two flange ends are joined together using bolts and nuts with a gasket inside as shown in the sketch. Fiber gaskets are used for low pressure applications. Metaflex gaskets are used for high pressure, which consist of spirally wound membranes with fiber material sandwiched between inner and outer metallic rings. Steam pipe expansion arrangement. Long steam pipes usually require some expansion and contraction allowance to prevent their distortion. Short pipe lengths with bends in the engine room do not require any additional arrangement. For long steam pipes, a loop arrangement as shown in the figure is provided at specified lengths approximately every 200 meters to provide such allowance. Long steam pipes on the deck may have an arrangement as shown in the sketch. Stuffing boxes, as shown, may be provided which permit the expansion and contraction allowance. Expansion allowance is shown as a gap between the loose nuts and the sliding piece flange. Gland packing prevents the leakage between fixed and sliding connection to the gland. Water hammer. What is water hammer? A severe and repeated banging in steam pipes is called water hammer. Why is it caused? Water hammer is caused when steam is admitted to pipes containing water, especially when the pipe has a slight inclination from the horizontal, which allows the water to have a large free surface area. How is it caused? When steam is admitted, condensation occurs on the cold water surface or in cold section of pipe, resulting in a partial vacuum, and the water moves along the pipe at great speed. What are its effects? The impact of this water at a bend or wall can cause fracture of the pipe. How can it be avoided? Water hammer can be avoided by draining the steam pipes and warming them up before they are used. Use of drains for warming up steam pipe. Provision of drains in steam pipes. A number of drains are provided in the steam pipe at various sections. Purpose of the drain. Drains are used to remove water from the steam pipe to prevent water hammer. Use of drains. Drains are used during warming up the steam pipe and while cooling down the same. Purpose of warming up the steam pipes. Before opening the steam, the pipe has to be warmed up gradually to avoid thermal distortion and subsequent damage. Procedure of warming up the steam pipes. For the purpose of warming up a steam pipe, a small sized warming up valve is usually provided, which acts as a bypass for the main valve. Use of a warming up valve prevents the damage to the valve disc and the seat of the main valve, which can occur due to throttling of steam, which becomes wire drawn and erodes the metal. Indication about completion of warming up. When the pipe has been sufficiently warmed up, as evident by the release of steam from all the drains, seam can be closed. Steam stop valve is opened and warming up valve is closed. Warming up is also required for supply and exhaust pipes for steam-driven cargo pump turbine and shipping pump usually found on conventional oil tankers. Occasionally found steam-driven mooring winch or windlass also need the warming up of their steam pipes. This completes the study of steam pipes. This book is written by me and covers all the topics as per Indian Maritime University syllabus. It is also recommended by Indian Maritime University as a reference book. It clarifies the concepts with simple illustrations. This book also provides answers to all the questions which have appeared in the examination conducted by Indian Maritime University. This book can help the students in preparing for the exam and also to work on ship's boiler safely. Hope you have liked the lecture. You can write your feedback in the comment box. If you have liked the tutorial, you may share it with your friends. You may subscribe to the channel for getting notification about the new tutorials. I'll be back with a new lecture shortly. Thanks for watching till the end.